Alright guys, in today's video we have a Droid Razr Maxx or Droid Razr, doesn't matter what you have, and we're going to show you how to root ice cream sandwich. So let's go into settings just so you can make sure you're on the right device here. About phone, and right here it says Android 4.0.4 and Droid Razr Maxx or Droid Razr, either one works with this method. So make sure you're on that. And make sure you have good battery life up here in the top, and then we're going to go back into settings, and we have to set a couple things in here. So we're going to go developer options, and we want to click on USB debugging. Make sure that box is checked, push OK, and we want to click on allow mock locations, make sure those are two set, and then go back. Then we're going to go to I think it's security. Let's see. Yes, it is. And then go to unknown sources. Allow installation of non-market apps. So we're going to click that, and there you go. So now we have set up pretty much everything we need to set up on the phone. So let's move up to my computer screen here. So basically what we're going to do, guys, is this right here is the Motorola Device Manager 2.3.4. This is what installs your Motorola drivers. So you're going to go ahead and click on it and tell it yes to install. I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it. Let it finish installing, and then you can move to the next thing. So the next thing is going to be is this right here. This is a zip. You're going to download this. I'm going to give you guys links to both of these in my video description. So extract it to this right here and open it up, and you have a README file which will give you straight up directions for how to do this. Okay, right here it gives you all the directions you're going to need, but what you're going to run is this right here. It's easy root ice cream sandwich for Windows. So we've downloaded it, we've enabled all these different things. Now we're going to connect the phone to the PC. So down here on the phone, guys, we're going to go ahead and connect our USB cable, which is right here, and plug it into the phone. Okay, so now what's going to happen up on our computer, it's going to install these drivers right here. So we're going to let it go ahead and install the drivers and let it finish. Alright, come on. It's searching for a Windows update right now. So you can see it's got all these drivers right here. Alright, I'm going to close that, close that, close that, and close that. Now we're going to go back to the phone. We're going to pull down the top and USB debugging connected, and then it says connected as mass storage. So we're going to take this one and we're going to change it to media device, and now it's going to install drivers again up on the computer. Alright, it's installing drivers. Let these things finish, which it did, and we're going to go camera, and we're going to set those drivers and let those drivers install. So basically you installed all three drivers on this thing, which is what you want to do, which is very good. And you should be good to go here. Alright, so those drivers have all connected, so we're going to go back to mass storage. Actually, we're going to go to media. See here, media sync is what we're going to go to. Alright, so we are now connected. We've installed all of our drivers. You can see on the phone what you're in here, and you should be good to go. So the next thing we're going to do is come to the computer, and we're going to run this file right here, and which is easy root ice cream sandwich Windows, and hit run. Okay, so now we're going to says read through here, blah blah, happy rooting, press any key to continue. So I'll push the space bar, and then it says please connect Motorola Droid Razr. Make sure ADB mode is enabled prior to continuing. So we're going to show you, if we go back here on the phone, that ADB is this USB debugging connection, which it is, and it is enabled. So we have USB mode enabled. Alright. So now basically what we're going to do is hit continue, which is spacebar. So step 1, it's not running, starting now, port this, and it's going to run through this procedure. I'm guessing it's going to, that's successful, it's going to reboot the device a couple times, and you'll see it says 1 of 3, so it looks like it's going to do it 3 times. So let's let this thing run through its script. I'm assuming this is going to take probably up to 5 minutes to run through all of the script and to reboot all 3 times. But when you're done, you're going to have super user, you're going to have BusyBox, and I think you're going to get installed Flash Player. So as you can see, the phone is now rebooting and should reconnect to the computer here in a second. Alright, so it rebooted. Now it's doing reboot again. You can see that right here, reboot 2 of 3. So we gotta wait for it to reboot. You can see it's gonna reboot down here on the phone also. Okay, it rebooted here, and now you're going to see some script up here on the top window, as long as it doesn't open up the internet again, which it probably will. Alright, there it goes. Rebooting system 3 of 3. So should reboot the last time here, and then we probably should get a completed thing in this little command prompt window right here. So let's see what we got. Alright, step 4 finished. Blank, 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 super user APK. Success. Now it's pushing Adobe Flash Player. Success. Your phone is now rooted. Enjoy. Press any key to continue. I don't know why it's doing that, but we can push one. And push a key. And there you go. Closed out the window. And let's go down here to the phone. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. We're going to unplug our cable on top. And we're going to go down here into the app drawer and scroll over. First thing we're going to see is, you can see you have Flash Player now, right there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for Super Sue right there. You can see it. I'm going to click on it. This is super, so it says Sue binaries needed to update to continue. So you're going to hit it. It's going to install the Sue binaries, and voila, you are now rooted. Okay. What else did it push? I don't see anything else on here right this minute that it pushed. So the other thing you can do, if you guys ever do want to unroot your device now that you've rooted it, you can come in here and you can click this right here, clean up with perm unroot, and you can hit that and it'll unroot the device. But that is it. You are now rooted. You can install rooted apps, and this is Droid Razr or Droid Razr Maxx root for ice cream sandwich. You're done. That's it. Glad you guys, hope you guys like this, and if you did enjoy it, give me a little thumbs up on it, and we'll be having more videos on what you can do with your root access. Please check out my YouTube channel, TomSGT123, for more details. Thanks, guys.